Bison Waterproof Silicone Cleansing Brush. Clean your face deeply. 3-zone brush head. The top cleaning area is used to clean the dead corners. General cleaning area. Suitable for tea area. The back massage area is used to remove dead skin. 3 gears adjust the intensity. 1 button to operate. Ultrasonic high-frequency vibration. Can deep cleaning. IPX7 waterproof. USB charging. To clean the face, apply the facial cleanser on the cleansing brush. Then start from the chin. Gently circular up to the ears. Then massage from the middle of the forehead to both sides until the entire face area is cleaned. Each time for 3 minutes. Deep cleansing can let your skin becomes moist and bright.